Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and today I am here to discuss vocab related to relationships topic. Up now talking about relationships, lately we have been receiving or we are getting actually various questions related to relationships. Grandparents role, parents role, children, teenagers are facing problem. So like in the relationships or things like such. So what is happening? Questions are related to this. So definitely we should know the vocab also related to this. So I'll be discussing the words related to relationships in today's video. Watch the video till the end. I'll cover most of the words so that you'll get to know. If you'll be using these words, you'll get short 1.5 in the vocab part. That's for sure. Lexical resources covers 1.5 band score of the total of 6 in essay writing. So you'll definitely get that. Let's get started. The first word here is nurture. Nurture means to look after, to take care of something. Upbring karna, that is nurturing. Okay. So now the sentence which can be written here is, if you are talking about nurturing, it's not only the mother but also the father whose love and support is required during the upbringing of a child. So in the upbringing of a child हम लिख सकते हैं या फिर during the upbringing phase हम लिख सकते हैं. I'll recommend in the upbringing of a child. So this way you can frame one sentence. It is not only the mother but also the father whose love and support is required or is essential in the upbringing of a child. This is the way we have used the word nurture. So you will not use the same word again and again. Let's say you have used nurture in the first para, then you can use look after, upbringing, care, things like such. Now our next word is maternal. Maternal is something which is related to mother, as the name suggests, motherly. ठीक है, that we call maternal. अब obviously mother's love जो होता है बहुत ही ज़्यादा precious and it is required. So what can ऐसे the sentence which we can write here is, in this competitive era. अब competitive era है, ठीक है. So it's very difficult to survive without maternal. It is very difficult to survive without maternal love in this competitive era. कि बहुत ही difficult है survive करना without maternal love in this competitive era. So we have used these two words. Now I'll proceed to the other two. Now the third word is inculcate. What is inculcate? Inculcate means instilling something, implanting something, as in we are talking about some values, moral values. So let's say grandparents ka there is a major role in inculcating moral values, or it is only the parents who can inculcate moral values. Schools are not responsible for this, or school cannot teach this to children within the span of 7-8 hours. So it is only the parents who can teach their children or who can instill moral values in their children. इस तरीके से we can use this word. But talking about inculcating, yes, the sentence is same, or the similar sentence we can use in inculcating as well. I just wanted to explain you the meaning first. So grandparents, okay, so we can start whenever we're talking about some essay related to grandparents. Grandparents play a significant role in inculcating moral values in their children. Okay, so in their grandchildren, we can say this. So they are playing an important role in this particular thing. So this way we have used instilling or implanting. Talking about next word, resemblance. What is resemblance? Resemblance means similarity or likeness. Whenever we are talking about two things, resemblance doesn't mean they are identical. They resemble to each other. As in, if you are talking about two specific cultures and the cultures which resemble to each other, so we can talk about the Indian culture, or we can talk about some culture related to Christianity. ठीक है, there is some sort of religious, ठीक है, religious resemblance when talking about the Indian and American culture. So हम यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं बात कर रहे हैं कि some sort of similarity है when we are talking about any two cultures. It doesn't, like, I don't want to stress here anything about the similarity between these two cultures. I just want to explain the word here. Resemblance is कि कहीं पे मुझे resemblance दिख रही है. So resemblance कहाँ दिख रही है? There is some sort of resemblance between British and Indian culture on the basis of religious aspects. So religious aspects के basis पे इन दोनों में कुछ similarities हैं. इस तरीके से मैंने explain कर दिया अपना resemblance वाला word. Okay. So the next word is extended, which means enlarged, expanded, increased. So here we can use the same word. The right collocation would be with family. So whenever we are talking about families, joint family or nuclear families, there are many questions related to the trend of joint family and nuclear families, that the trend of joint family is getting diminished in the modern scenario. So this is something which we can write. So the trend of living in extended families is getting depleted in the contemporary era, ठीक है, और in the modern era it is getting depleted. So हमने यहाँ कहीं ना कहीं क्या बताया, diminish हो रहा है, deplete हो रहा है. As अब why is it happening? It is happening due to the, like we can say, modern culture, because of the migration due to jobs. People are not staying in the same hometown because of the lack of availability of opportunities related to career. So people are preferring to move abroad or maybe in some other part of the nation. ठीक है. So here the extended means this. Example, family से related if there is any topic, so use expanded and this particular thing. Now the next is adolescence. Adolescence you must have heard various times. Adolescence, teenage years, youth, teens. अब adolescence होता क्या है exactly? Here a topic sentence can be written very easily. Adolescence is the transition period between the childhood and adulthood. जो कि childhood और adulthood के बीच का transition period है, that is known as adolescence. So अब यहाँ पे we have learned two more words. We can use the word childhood. We can use the word adulthood as well. And these two are nouns. So use them in this specific manner. Okay, these two words will be used in such a context whenever we are talking about a particular phase during the childhood, during the adulthood. People tend to do this. ठीक है, people tend to be relaxed more during the childhood phase. So अब मैं phase बता रही हूँ childhood. अब यहाँ पे childhood phase के केस में मैंने childhood को as an adjective use करा, but it can be used as a noun as well. Okay. So this is what I was explaining. Now I'll explain you two more words. So the next word is gatherings. Gatherings means meetings, assemblies or parties. Whenever we are talking about gatherings, gatherings can be family gatherings, business gatherings or professional gatherings. We can talk about gatherings का मतलब as in like some functions wherein you can go and meet your relatives and friends. So one must attend the family gatherings in order to know more about his own culture and tradition. So one must do this. कि कैसे पता चलेगा to know about his own culture and tradition? It's important to attend family gatherings or it's important to attend family assemblies in order to know about his or her culture or religion. So this is something we can use in this context. Gatherings can be used like such. Siblings. Now talking about siblings. Siblings is related to sister and brother. Okay, जब हम sister और brother के love की बात कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे sibling. After the parent, ठीक है, after the parents, it's always the siblings who are there to support you in each and every thing of your, or in each and every time of your life, ठीक है, or in each and every need of your life. So what is happening after the parents? It's only the siblings who are there to support you in the hour of need. इस तरीके से भी हम sentence frame कर सकते हैं कि after the parents, it's only the siblings or who are there to support you in the hour of need. So we should have a good bond with our siblings. इस तरीके से आप सेंटेंस लिख रहे हो, उसे कॉम्प्लेक्स बना रहे हो एंड यू आर फ्रेमिंग इट ऑल्सो. दीज आर द वर्ड्स विच कैन ईजिली बी यूज्ड इन रिलेशनशिप्स essay. Last word which was exceptional, which I'll be using here, is paternal. Paternal is parents ka love. Okay, something when we are talking about paternal, paternally I wanted to use the word parental. Whenever we are talking about parental love, parental guidance, instead of using of parents or related to parents, we can use parental. Parental guidance is necessary to succeed in life, or parental guidance is necessary in every time of life or in every phase of life. So we cannot survive without parental guidance. इस तरीके से we have used all the words. I believe you will start using these words in any essay related to relationships, and if you face any problem, do ask me in the comment section. I'll reply each and every comment of yours. Thanks a lot for watching it. Do share with every other student who's writing the essay for IELTS or maybe for any other exam. Thank you.